Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Snapchat tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can subscribe on Snapchat Premium, or what you call it, Snapchat Plus. So it's very simple and easy. So I'm going to walk you guys through the procedure in doing this. So all you need to do is just launch your Snapchat like that. So when you launch it, move to your profile. So anyhow you navigate to your profile is up to you, but then move to your profile like this. So sometimes you're going to see this here. You can see they're telling me 12 of my friends are on Snapchat Plus. But then if you don't find something like that, tap on the settings here. Good. So let's wait for some time for it to load. So on here you can see they are still showing me the ad, but then just tap on this Snapchat Plus and then you subscribe. You can see here. So when you're on Snapchat Premium or the Plus, you get a lot of features. You can restore your snap streaks and the rest. A lot of them you can glance through on your mobile phone. From that side you can see. So now let's choose next. Very cheap, so it's like less than $1 I think for my location. Now I need to start the free trial, so what I need to do is just connect a payment option to my Google account. So you're going to see it's going to pop up something like that. So you can see you can add your debit or your credit card, and you can choose the local money transfer in your location. So these are the local money transfer, the two of them. But then if you have your credit card, you just need to enter the front and then the security code and you're good to go. They're just going to deduct the money after your free trial. So that's it on how you can join Snapchat Premium or Snapchat Plus. So for the video, if you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. Peace.